Man, I'm getting tired of, this camera being on the wrong settings at given times. I watch a number of videos. One did get my attention. I'm saying, that looked pretty good. But the problem was, I don't believe I got turquoise skies here. And that was, something interesting with the camera. Hey, stop. I gotta show you something again. Again, people are leaving notes on cars. And they're saying, sorry, I hit your car. Take a look. You see anything hit in the front? Not at all. How about the back? Nothing at all. So let's continue on. Do my talk. Hey, I'm Fish. So yeah, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro wasn't a video I saw. I saw a picture. Yes, indeed. It was about the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Still the same car I'm passing by from yesterday, so maybe that was there yesterday as well. Yes, indeed. Well, the camera I was talking about, the Insta, it's been out since when? November. I don't have 8K stuff, so I really don't need 8K. I know what happens if I do 8K. I struggle. Some may love it, some may not. But hey, it was a widescreen shot. It had the black bars and it looked real interesting indeed. Problem is, my software. My machine's not old. My software's not old. But my software, Wondershare Filmora 14, doesn't do 8K video resolution exports. You can't do customs and choose it. The highest you can do is up to 4K. 10 million plus things in the software that they give you, but you gotta pay. 9,900,990. You only get like 0.01% free. I can't do the math right. You can do it for me. No, I'm not gonna pack up a giveaway from Filmora and go to DaVinci Resolve and start to learn something new all over again that may give me just a little bit of a restriction in editing. Something like, I don't think it does 10-bit or something like that. I'll work it out. It'll work for me. I don't want to do some complicated, easy stuff editing in Resolve. That's where I go back to Magix. Magic does up to 8K, but Cyberlink Power Director don't do 8K. So everything is not about 8K. I could drop down the model to the Insta360 Ace Pro, that is, but then I'll lose a couple little features. I'd rather just continue on with the Action 5 Pro. And we just hope that the Action 6 Pro is a little bit better with resolution. Maybe it could offer us 5+K resolution than sticking to the old-fashioned 4K that's been around quite some time. I'm still on version 01.03.02.10. Man, that's funny. 1321. I held off loading up VO1.03.0330 and VO1.03.0350. And I'm going to wait for maybe VO1.04.01.00. You ever get firmware that they removed a feature? I think GoPro did that. They removed a feature. And that's not something we want. But nobody wanted vivid or neutral. But that was added. People got more of a diver's camera that they added in. And maybe the Action 6 Pro, the mode on and off button won't be as hard to press. But yeah, That's what it is. It is what it is, man. Trees are gonna be waking up. Yeah, they're gonna get a little buddy. Yes, indeed. Change of weather. It's gonna be nice and beautiful. Get out for a bike ride. Well, here I am in my spot. I'm wondering if subject tracking and video mode are two different features that tone mapping is not on subject tracking. But hey, we all know that certain features don't get tone mapping. And do you know what they are? I sure don't. And I really don't care at this moment. But I did a video that I stood right here. And I was nice in size. Right here. I was perfectly in size. And yeah, when I brought 2K up to 4K, I was made look like a tall person. Did I stand right? Did I do it right? Of course, this is the same exact shot in video mode. Oh man, I tell you, things are just wonderful when you get a camera. You experiment, you enjoy everything. But subject tracking, follow me. Camera's not following me in video mode. I like subject tracking. Subject tracking is nice. Does a nice job when I want it to. Well, how's that sky look to you? It's got white, it's blue, it's pale, no clouds. Clouds are over there. Let's get going. I cashed in a little too early. I should have waited a little longer. Well, that's who I am. Early, then late. Well, I'd taken something I have and went out. It worked out nice and fine. Did a nice job. But that's about it. Had a little trouble trying to do what I wanted to do. Time to go meet Joe. Take care of a little business. Business. Well, if I want low light shots now, I gotta use the camera a lot earlier. So we're gonna see how the camera starts to work. You got it. In nice daylight times. My video was shot in 4K 30 frames per second. Horizon balance. The stabilization scene, daily. Color, 8 or 10-bit. With the pro settings of EV 0.3 on the negative side. 1/100 or 1/200 to 8,000. With the texture, -2. The video noise reduction, -1. Auto white balance. Oh yeah, should I do anything different in the camera? I think I'm all set. And the DJI Mic 2 on the -8 dB level. And on that note, I'm Fish, and time for a change up. Have a great day, and see you on another note.